Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? You already know it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And I got something special for y'all today, baby. You know what I'm saying? But we got a special guest in the building.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Darnell. Part of the Flu Game family. Follow me on IG at _booming, BOOMIN _ before the beat.
Hey, this my guy right here, man. He had to come through today. I got him in here, special delivery, because we got something special for y'all, man. Y'all know what this is. When you see this box, you know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? You see the thumbnail, you know what time it is. You saw the title. We finna get into it. But before we do, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and holler at your boy in these comments, man. You know, we want to hear what y'all thoughts. We want to hear all y'all thoughts about this young video, baby. And we gonna keep it going like that. You already know how we rocking around here at Flu Game TV. Let's get it. So, yo, today we not even gonna go into the Q the Flu table where we gon' here unbox these things, man. If you ever had a Doernbecher, you see the blue Doernbecher box. You know this is the 2019 retro reissue of this shoe, man. A couple of slight differences. I don't have the OGs, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, if you've ever had the OG in hand, you know, there are a couple of slight differences that we're going to go through, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I just want to give you all a quick, brief look at the shoe. My man D, he going to tell y'all how he went on ahead and copped these things off that Sneakers out. You know, I took an L.
Bruh.
You already know how that shit go. You know, we definitely took L's over here. But we were the same size, so maybe we might be able to make something happen. But no matter what, you know what I'm saying? He gonna hit y'all with that on feet, you know, to get y'all a look at what these things look like, you know what I'm saying? And we just gonna do it like that, man. So D, tell the people, tell YouTube, man, how did you come up on these guys, man? We all took L's out here, and you out here winning. You know what I'm saying? And you ain't got the greatest sneaker account in the world, so we can dispel the legit joint. So, you know, what was that like waking up and going after these and hitting, man?
I mean, the night before I pressed the notification button like everybody else, and I woke up late, and I want to say I got on like at 9:15, so the draw was already going, and I put my name in at the last minute, and then I took a little 10-minute nap, and I woke up and I got them, and I was excited. Like, I never really owned a pair of like such a grail shoe, and especially Doernbechers. Like, the meaning behind it like really resonates with me, knowing that my mom passed from breast cancer, and knowing like this stands for something that's bigger than me. And then like it's a Jordan, and you know I'm a Jordan stan, so like it's just a blessing. Like, it had to be a guy.
So, hey man, so what you saying is this was meant to be, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is meant to be, man. And so, like, hey man, he lets you know, man, it definitely wasn't a matter of, you know, being right there on the app right on time, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know, having a super duper account, having a super duper bot, man. You know what I'm saying? I know this man personally. He definitely got on the sneakers and got this joint legit, man. And I think that's really cool because, I mean, like, it really dispels the notion that like you gotta be some super, you know, sneakerhead, reseller, whatever, to cop exclusive sneakers off of sneakers, man. And it definitely made somebody like me, who's heartbroken, who was really, really heartbroken that I didn't get this shoe, because the 6s, the Doernbecher 6s and the Doernbecher 8s are my grail Doernbecher shoes. You know what I'm saying? And the 3s are like a close, 3s and the 4s are like 3 and 4, but this is definitely one of the grail Doernbecher shoes for me. Probably my top out of all of them, man. So I definitely wanted this pair. And it's been a while since a true, you know, exclusive fire Jordan, just a plain Jane regular Jordan, no collaboration, has just released, you know what I'm saying? So this was definitely one to get, man. And I'm happy that you got it, man. I mean, I think that was really dope, man. So just a little quick, you know, brief review about the shoe. Let's get it. Alright, so YouTube, we back, man. You know, as you can see, like, like I said, we're not gonna show y'all the little blue Doernbecher box. You know, retro 6, Air Jordan 6 retro Doernbecher plain Jane, you know, Doernbecher box standard. You know, they didn't give you no special bells or whistles. Got that blue buttery suede, as you can kind of see here up close, you know, with that, you know, 06, 08 imprint, you know, going around. Kind of, they kept this one kind of true to the OG. You know what I'm saying? You got that 04, 09, the inside, which we all know with Doernbechers. All of those little small details are special and unique to the child that designed the shoe. You know, based off what was going on, man. You know, we got the what time is it in there, and that stitch gold embroidery, gold lace tips. We got that stitched embroidered Jumpman on the insole, and that satin silky smooth, you know, gold material, as you can see up here, man. Icy blue bottoms, red Jumpman. You know what I'm saying? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty true to the OG. I think if I had to, you know, say there are any slight differences between this pair and the last one, is that, man, the suede, even though you can kind of see that thing is still like just brushed up, I feel like I've actually held the OGs in hands, seen them, all that. The suede on those OGs were like way thicker, you know, long hair suede. You know, Jordan Brand kind of dialed back a little bit on these guys right here. I mean, which is cool. I feel like these will probably, you know, they won't get messed up as easily as the last ones. But, you know, of course, our common gripe with all the new Jordans, you know, the quality is just not as strong as it was back in the day, which is okay. You know, inflation is real out here. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I mean, the color is a little different too. I feel like the color was a little bit more vibrant on the OG pair. As you kind of see, it's a little bit more dull, you know, a little bit more rich in the red, the red colors and things of that nature. But nothing, you know, too strong that you know, would just notice, you know, like that. But, you know, really quickly, man, I just wanted to give y'all a little up close personal look at the sneaker. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, yo, let's get to this fire on feet.
These niggas, yes, man. Hey, bitch, I'm almighty, so some bad man. Hey, no, I got my Smith and Wesson. Hey, that be my illegal weapon. Hey, I'm off this earth, I feel like Superman. Cocky like He-Man, cut like Wolverine. Hey, come through your block like Green Goblin. Hey, what is shit a Spider-Man? Through your block, ayy, like Batman with a Glock, ayy. Red bands on a gun, bitch Cyclops, ayy. Wonder Woman on the name my watch, ayy. I got my heat, I feel like He-Man. From Sandman to the beat, so bitch I'm Seaman, ayy. I got a cold from all this ice, man. Ayy, don't make me flash my fucking pipe, man.
Yo. Thanks for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad that, you know, we were able to get this review done, man. Appreciate you for coming through, stopping through, bringing these guys in, man. Yeah. Hey, man, YouTube, y'all let me know, man. Are these dope or nah? You know what I'm saying? I think, of course, I already know the answer to that. These are absolutely straight crack rock. Leave it 2000, 3000. Olay, Dub, soap, clean, fresh, whatever you want to say, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I got to see these things in hand, yo. If you want more videos like this, if you like what you just saw today, baby, again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and holla at your boy in the comment section. As always, as we proceed to give you what you need, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking. Let me holla at that. Gang, 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 gang. Yo.
This Chicago.